Healthcare plays a vital role in our lives. No one knows that better than the employees of the Hazleton General Hospital and the Hazleton Health and Wellness Center, both affiliates of the Greater Hazleton Health Alliance in Hazleton, Pennsylvania. Whether you're recovering from an illness and in need of basic patient care, intensive care, or rehabilitation services, emergency services, surgery, radiology, or lab testing, or you simply want to maintain or improve your health, Hazleton General Hospital and the Hazleton Health and Wellness Center have you covered. In the late 1800s, the coal mining industry brought thousands of people from around the world to the Hazleton area. As the population grew, so did the need for professional health care. To meet this need, lawmakers in the Commonwealth began building hospitals throughout the state, among them Hazleton General Hospital. Nearly a century later, in September of 1986, Hazleton General Hospital separated from the state and became a nonprofit community hospital. Coverage and services were further expanded in 1996 when an alliance was formed with Hazleton St. Joseph Medical Center. Ever-increasing healthcare costs and changes in reimbursement for healthcare services resulted in the consolidation of inpatient services at Hazleton General Hospital and the closing of St. Joseph's in 2005. Today, Hazleton General Hospital is an award-winning healthcare facility recognized statewide for an excellence in quality care and is ranked in the top 5% of hospitals nationally for patient safety. The hospital was also the first hospital in Northeast Pennsylvania to be certified as a primary stroke center. The Hazleton Health and Wellness Center, opened in April 2007, is Northeast Pennsylvania's premier outpatient health center designed with the customer in mind. A complete array of outpatient services is available at this one convenient location. Here's President and CEO Jim Edwards to tell us more.
In 2006, we completed a major renovation project here at Hazleton General Hospital, which included doubling the size of our emergency room. We now have the most up-to-date, state-of-the-art emergency room in northeastern Pennsylvania. Renovations to our surgical suite area, including our post-anesthesia care unit. Standing right here in front of the renovations that we had, our new short procedure unit for same-day surgery. Really just updating our facility here and becoming much more state-of-the-art. In addition to that, we have in 2007, we opened our Hazleton Health and Wellness Center out on the Airport Beltway. Comprehensive one-stop shopping for all your outpatient services, including same-day surgery. We have cardiac testing there. We have physician offices, full modality imaging center. We have physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy, aquatic therapy, lab services, and a musculoskeletal institute. Very proud of what we've been able to do to upgrade the services we're providing to the residents in Hazleton. Better quality, better access. That's what it's really all about for us.
We're going to tour the hospital now, so you'll get to see some of the things Jim Edwards just talked about and much more. We'll wrap up our tour at the Hazleton Health and Wellness Center. The mission of the Greater Hazleton Health Alliance and its employees is to provide the area with compassionate, patient-centered, quality healthcare services, while at the same time striving to help develop a healthier community. The medical professionals and support staff who work at these facilities are held to the highest industry standards and are required to stay current with new medical initiatives and treatment. Hazleton General Hospital houses 7 floors dedicated to quality patient care, including inpatient, surgical, and emergency care, and an array of ancillary testing services including laboratory services, diagnostic imaging, pulmonary, and cardiology testing. In addition, Hazleton General Hospital is a home to a family birthing center, Northeast Bariatric Center, Gunderson Rehabilitation Center, and the Hazleton General Home Care Service. In the emergency room, you'll find highly skilled emergency-trained medical professionals working day and night to provide patients with quality care.
First, we went and we renovated our emergency department from 7 rooms to 17 rooms, expanding it, making it more modernized, more technical. We went fully electronic with electronic medical records, tracking systems, the PAC system, which is a radiology digital imaging system here in the emergency department. Then the second phase was that we brought in a top-notch emergency services from Lehigh Valley Hospital. Proud to say that we're a primary stroke center of excellence right here in northeastern Pennsylvania, which was the first by AOA in this region. We were second in the nation by our governing body, so we're very proud of that program.
The Hazleton Health and Wellness Center serves as the primary outpatient center of the Greater Hazleton Health Alliance. What sets it apart from most other medical facilities is the focus on the mind, body, and spirit philosophy of medicine. This can be seen in the spacious design of the waiting areas, the relaxing water wall, the fireplace lounge, and the outside patio. This helps create a positive healing energy for patients who come in for imaging services like MRI, CAT scan, mammography, and ultrasound, cardiac testing and rehab, occupational health services, or lab work. Everything is state-of-the-art, so patients feel comfortable knowing that they have access to the most modern healthcare equipment and services. There is even a large, well-equipped fitness center where people can rehab from illness or injury, or healthy people can work to stay healthy through exercise. Nutritional counseling, independent physician practices, and an outpatient surgery center are also available on-site, making this truly a one-stop health facility. The Greater Hazleton Health Alliance is one of the largest employers in the region. There are so many different career opportunities in the hospital and the health and wellness fields. Of course, there are the medical doctors. You can generalize or specialize as an ER doctor or surgeon, for example. If your interests lie in the nursing field, you can get your college degree in any one of a number of different areas of nursing and jump right in, or start out as a nurse's aide and work your way up through the ranks like Hazleton General's, Gunderson Rehabilitation Center's nurse manager, Linda Naprakowski.
My career in nursing actually started in 1985. I took a position as a nursing assistant. Worked about a year as a nursing assistant and then went through a course and became a CNA. I really enjoyed what I did and I wanted to further my education. So I thought, you know what, I would really like to be a nurse. I'd like to be a registered nurse. So I continued working as a nursing assistant, went to nursing school, graduated from nursing school, and continued as a registered nurse. My love in nursing, of course, has always been rehabilitation. And I did sit for the certification exam, and I did become certified in rehabilitation, so I became a CRRN. I am currently working on my master's degree. I plan to go back full-time in September. And the Greater Hazleton General Hospital is helping me with that because there's tuition reimbursement, and that's a great thing. And when I look back now and I think about where I started, it was a great place to start. And it was through working as a nursing assistant that actually let me know that, you know what, this is definitely the profession for me.
Physical and occupational therapists work with acute care patients as well as patients recovering from strokes and serious accidents where longer-term rehab care is needed. Imaging technicians have the ability to specialize in CT scans, MRI, ultrasound, mammography, or nuclear medicine. Lab techs take blood and run tests that help determine the extent of the illnesses or whether it is safe for a patient to have surgery. In medical records, there are coders, billers, and transcriptionists. If you are interested in technology, there is the Information Services Department. Food services is another area for potential employment. Patients need to be fed and often diets are restricted, so nutritionists are needed as well as the workers who prepare and serve the meals. Renovation and expansion projects mean electricians, plumbers, carpenters, and painters are an integral part of the staff and are kept busy in the plant operations department. There are strict rules about cleanliness and a germ-free environment, so custodial workers are an important part of the overall operation. The Greater Hazleton Health Alliance provides a tuition reimbursement program for employees. Lead imaging technologist Hippolito Mandura talks about his participation in this program.
Here at the Greater Hazleton Health Alliance, we believe in lifelong learning. All staffs are eligible and encouraged to take advantage of our tuition reimbursement program. We are fortunate that our organization values continuing education.
There are so many ways the Greater Hazleton Health Alliance gives back to the community every day. Here's Jane Danish, Director of Community Relations, to talk about the Alliance's Community Outreach Program.
In terms of prevention and self-detection, staff from the hospital and the Hazleton Health and Wellness Center spend literally thousands of hours out in the community in businesses and industries participating in or conducting health fairs, which also include free health screenings. Lastly, we have a speakers bureau consisting of physicians and staff and other healthcare professionals who will go out into the community, into our schools and our businesses to provide information on a variety of healthcare topics. So as you can see, not only as a healthcare facility do we take care of people who are ill, but we are also here to help promote good health and to help people make healthy decisions.
The Greater Hazleton Health Alliance is an integral part of the Hazleton community. In addition to the programs Jane discussed, the Alliance is involved with local organizations like Partners in Education, the Hazleton Chamber of Commerce, the United Way, Can Do, Civic Partnership, and the American Cancer Society, to name a few. Wherever your interests lie, you can pretty much be assured that there is a place in the healthcare field for you. If you want to test the waters, you may want to consider the summer volunteer program where teenagers help out in various departments. Job shadowing is also another opportunity for students to observe a healthcare professional in action. As you can see, working in healthcare is not just a job. It can be a highly personalized and extremely self-rewarding career. It is neighbors treating neighbors, friends treating friends, and it is a career that saves lives. Providing quality care close to home, Hazleton General Hospital and the Hazleton Health and Wellness Center.